Hi, my name's Gabe. For this problem, we're asked to use Cramer's rule to solve this system of equations. So let's begin by noting that Cramer's rule tells us that the solution to this system of equations will be given by x is equal to d sub x divided by d, where d is the determinant of the coefficient matrix, and d sub x is the determinant of the matrix we get from replacing the coefficients of x with our constant matrix. And we also have that y is equal to d sub y divided by d, where d again is the determinant of our coefficient matrix, and d sub y is the determinant of the matrix we obtain by replacing the coefficients of the variable y with our constant matrix. So let's begin by finding d. So as I said, d is the determinant of our coefficient matrix. So in this case, d is the determinant of the matrix given by -5, 9, 3, and -7. Now to find this determinant, it's going to be the product of -5 and -7, which is 35, minus the product of 9 and 3, which is 27. So d is equal to 8. Next, let's go ahead and find dx, or d sub x. This is the determinant of the matrix that we get by replacing the coefficients of the variable x with our constant matrix. So here, our first column will be given by -14, 10, and our second column will be the same as it was in our coefficient matrix. So this determinant is going to be equal to -14 times -7 minus 9 times 10, which is 90. So this is 98 minus 90 is equal to 8. And finally, we'll find d sub y. So d sub y is our coefficient matrix, but we're replacing the coefficients of our y variable with our constant matrix. So what we'll have here is the first column will be -5, 3, and our second column will be -14, 10. And here, this will be equal to -5 times 10 minus -14 times 3. So what we see, this is going to be equal to -8. And now that we've solved for d, d sub x, and d sub y, we can come back to Cramer's rule and substitute these values in to solve for x and y. So x, we said, was equal to d sub x divided by d, which is 8 divided by 8, which is 1. And y is equal to d sub y divided by d, which is -8 divided by 8, which is equal to -1. So our solution is the ordered pair 1, -1. Thank you.